Okay, so I brought this clock from eBay and it's a DIY clock. I had a lot of plans with it, but because I'm not in my own apartment, I don't have a shop, a work table anymore. So I need this before I will make the work table. And I just throw out my $200 shoes of my wife, and I took the shoe box. I'm gonna make a watch in it. Now I've seen on the internet all these people doing from concrete, from pallets, wood, from all kind of stuff, but I don't really have the space here and the tools to do it. I have it, but I have it like in boxes. So until then, I'm just going to do a clock that will serve me for a while from this shoebox. It's kind of like the right size, and I don't think I will have a problem in doing it. For a while it will be okay. After that I will probably do a better one or a nicer one, but I'm gonna start with this. So first, what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna use it how it is. It's 1.5 centimeters, and I should cut the box at least 1.5 centimeters, preferably like 2 centimeters. Okay, so I kind of have my watch, my clock. I need to make like a few diagonals and see where the middle point is. Okay, so the needles are pretty flimsy, but what can you expect from a $1 clock? I hope it works fine. I mean, it shows showing the hour in all of that. So this should be it. I'm going to put a piece of tape behind just to keep it in place. I'm putting a piece of tape because I'm not going to leave this like that. At some point I'm going to make it better, like with a photo or something like that. So this is it. Thanks for watching. Bye.